decided I actually don't like the look of the top stitching. Actually, no, I might top stitch the rest. Wait. Hi. Ignore the fuzzies in my hair. It's not dandruff, it's fuzzies from that. Yeah. I look like a cauliflower. I mean, as you can see, did not turn out well. Or flipped up. Okay, okay. Never mind. Cheers. I honestly think Avatar is probably one of the greatest kids shows, and I'm watching it, or I'm rewatching it right now with my sister and my brother. This is why I love Avatar so much, because even after rewatching it, I have nothing but good things to say about it. My favorite character by far is the filming mouth guy from Kyoshi Island. I think the creators of Avatar have begun working on a new project within the Avatar universe, and I am beyond excited. I am very grateful to them for creating such an amazing show. I think part of it is also because growing up, there's not a lot of Asian representation in media, and you know, there still isn't, but with Avatar, it was one of the few shows where I could actually see myself and characters on screen. A little update, I'm just pinning it down. I probably won't use a straight stitch, I might use like an over, I don't know, I'm a beginner sewer, so I don't know what it's called. I'm so entertained.
눈이 마주치면 웃어 우리 둘만의 비밀 말할 수 없는 느낌 함께라면 어디든지 다 좋아 내가 부른 노래로 네가 흘린 눈물들 모두 닦아 불러줄게 두 끝처럼 우리 둘만의 비밀 말할 수 없는 느낌 함께라면 어디든지 다 좋아 내가 부른 노래로
Happy birthday.
Happy.
It's your birthday.
Thank you.
활짝 웃음 필 거야 활짝 미소 질 거야 내 마른 땅에 내린 비처럼
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. That is my favorite. Isn't make a wish? Just gets it.
Wow, wow. Oh, I can see you spit everywhere.
I just love that. It doesn't taste good. That did go wet.
to show the country that just where the world should want to be, for I find something all people need. I'm faithless, though we win every time. Don't know how, 'cause I haven't for you, and I haven't told me, but the people are dying just to get on TV. I heard he lives down a river somewhere with 6 cars and a grizzly bear.
I like your fit. I like your fit.
But he can't see well, he talks like an angel, but he looks like me. Oh, what have I become on the face? Oh gosh, I'm my father's son. No, no. What you think you see? I know you can't have it, but you can't stop me. Why would you lie? Why would you lie about how you feel? I've got a mission and a mission to had your chances, yeah, you've had enough. I'm gonna burn your house down to spread peace and love. Oh, it gets me down. Oh, how it gets me.
Hugging tree, hugging Aiden.
Hugging trees, hugging.
I heard he lives down a river somewhere.
Say cheese.
He got eyes, but he can't see. Well, he talks like an angel, but he looks like me. Oh, I heard he lives down a river somewhere with 6 cars and a grizzly bear. He got eyes, but he can't see. Well, he talks like an angel, but he looks like me. Well, he talks like an angel, but he looks like me.
Oh, big bumblebee. You having fun, Isabella?
So much fun.
Are you having fun, Aiden?
Yes! And I can't wait to use the glitter paint because I'm done now.
Oh. Good job, Aiden.
매일처럼 담담히
That's enough.
서로를
I think I'm done.
보내요.
Yay! I want to watch one episode of Avatar.
행복해지기로 해요. 그동안 고마웠어요.
Cheers.
오랜 시간 멀어진 발자국 어긋난 틈에
Yeah, I like some seagulls.
말아요. 우리의 마지막 모습이 부르게 기억될 거야.
Hi.
You're so cute. You're so cute, Aiden.
다섯 번
Here's a and it has 700 stickers. My favorite one is Granny.
I liked this one. What's her name?
Oh, her name is
I don't know her name. Kira?
Billy.
숱한 날의 추억은 그 자리에 있으니
All about weird at it. And bathing suit skirt, but it's really cool. And that's because I thought it was. And 5 years ago in high school, I would have loved to wear this. So I'm just.
Don't stay awake for too long.
Oh, darn.
Go away. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. And I promise.
It's probably like April 13th or something. Everyone's trying to get their vaccine. So I'm like terrified to go back because I feel like all my social skills have declined drastically. Like I saw a person the other day and I just didn't know what to say. Like, oof. Here's what I have so far. Side and then add more crumble on top.
And I'll make a cup of
It's not been finished, but this is what it looks like. I'm eating banana bread right now. Here that my mom made.
Temperatures. I'm glad.
Don't know
How can you measure first deer to find out?
No. It's okay, I'm not gonna
Welcome back.
do-
You can see the deer.
Won't you come down? I like
That's so pretty.
it makes me feel nice. The green in your eyes makes me feel warm inside. And I'll make a cup of coffee with the right amount of sugar. How you like it? And I'll make a cup of coffee with the right amount of sugar. How you like it? How you like it?
So scared.
The sugar's staying on. So sad.
Did you expect
Why is he making the same pose too? Look at that perfect cloud. This quarter, which is spring quarter, has been a lot easier for me than winter quarter. I most likely will be going back to campus next year, which is a little bit terrifying, I'm not gonna lie. Everything's going back to normal.
사랑은 유리 같아
Some really good sunsets recently. The sparkles on this backdrop.
Oh, it's very hot.
세게 쥐면 깨질까 조심히 다뤘더니 내게서는 너무 멀리 벗어나 버렸지 그게 끝이더라 결국 의미 하나 없더라고
back to the show?
다시 돌이킬 수 없는 우리 사이 그냥 이렇게
I just got my vaccine, my first dose. Actually, it didn't hurt that much because if you've ever gotten like a TB shot, that hurts so much. So after that, I don't think that shots hurt that much because the TB shot hurts so bad, nothing could compare to that.
You know, in the classroom and stuff, whereas the duty.
You're in the corner.
Told you guys to eat. That Isabel is no aliens in our room. And I saw that.
Oh, to see without my eyes.
We're going to take pictures now. It's like
Last time that you
a dried up lake outfit.
countless by the time I cried.
Flower and
I
you
built
come
your walls around me. White eyes, what an awful sound. Fumbling
Oh my
by
god, can't see, but there's bugs. Look, she's literally not talking because she's scared of bugs flying into her mouth. No, see, now you're not even talking with your teeth.
Oh, wow, it's me.
Outfit set.
I
I can't lift my leg enough. Oh, that was so difficult. We're gonna go with me.
It be the mystery.
Video. No.
Oh, I never believe.
Oh,
Drowned in living water.
Bug.
Cursed by the love that I see.
Another one.
From my brother's daughter, like a Phaisian who died. Alexander's lover.
is that a rabbit?
My riverbed has dried. Shall I find no other? Oh, wow, it's me. I'm running
elongated. And then say hi. Hi to the video.
Hi.
Education.
The last time that you touched me.
Alone.
Alone from the rest.
Oh yeah.
Blessed be the mystery of love. Blessed be the
Anna, what do you think? Do you like it?
But I think the sprinkle one looks better.
What about you?
The one we just ate? I mean, it's really good. I like it better than the